Hi guys, Lucy here. I just want to share a flip through of my Calmtober sketchbook that I did last year. It's an alternative Inktober prompt where you paint every other day and not the usual daily prompt of Inktober. I started this on October 1, but I finished it on December 12th. Yeah, I still didn't finish it on time. So day 1, it's teapot. I painted this very reflective red teapot. Day 3 is Nightingale. I painted a portrait of Florence Nightingale. It doesn't really look like her, but that's her. Day 5 is Oil Lamp. I had fun painting with these intense colors and also the details of the wick. Day 7 is Bear, and it looks so lonely. I also tried to capture the reflection of the water, but I didn't quite get it right. Day 9 is Library. Day 11 is Moth, and I painted the Venomoth from Pokemon. Day 13 is Rain. I like the drop ripple effects. I would surely paint something like this in the future. Day 15 is Foraging. I really like this chipmunk. I tried to smoothen the background for this one, but using textured paper is not really ideal with gouache. I missed some spots and it looked like pockmarks. I think I got behind by 3 days because of this. Day 17 is Tree. This scene is from Princess Mononoke, and since I was already behind for days, I just take more days again to do the details. I think this is my favorite spread among the rest. Day 19 is Vintage, and I painted a phonograph. I like the stain effect at the background. And on day 21 is the Herb. I painted a sage. I think my energy got drained with the 3 previous prompts I did, so now my sage ended up looking sad. I should have put some background to make it pop or something. Day 23 is Star. I used metallic paints on the star to make it shimmer under the light. Day 25 is Cordial. It looked lacking. I think it's because of the photo reference. There's greeneries in front and I didn't include it, so it feels empty. I think if I make a frame around it, it will be less empty. I'm just measuring the width of the border. I cut the corners first before going through the edge so I could get a crisp corner. Now that we have a frame, let's attach it on the page with an adhesive. I think it looks less empty now compared to before. Day 27 is Envelope. This is my self-insert in this sketchbook. So yeah, it's supposed to be me with my initial, and I just made some swirls around to fill in the page. I used my metallic watercolors again. Actually, this small envelope is supposed to be sent to my friend, but I couldn't find this on time when I mailed the letter. And then it resurfaced a few weeks after that, so I just decided to put it here. Day 29 is Armchair. I really tried to copy the leathery texture of the chair. I just noticed that I forgot to put the shadows under the chair. Oh. And lastly, day 31 is Chimney. I'm already halfway painting with this one when I questioned myself as to why I used a spiral chimney as my reference. It's challenging because I have to understand how each of the layers of bricks are turning. And that's it for my Calmtober 2024 sketchbook flip through. And although it took me more than 2 months to finish, I'm still happy I did it. Thank you.